Las Vegas is renowned as the entertainment capital, attracting millions yearly. However, not all hotels offer a satisfactory experience. In this video, we expose the 5 worst hotels in Las Vegas for 2024, helping you avoid frustrating stays that could ruin your vacation. Let's get started. The Flamingo, despite its iconic status, has fallen short in recent years. Guests frequently encounter poorly maintained facilities, outdated and uninspired room decor, and subpar service. These issues cumulatively result in disappointing experiences, making it a hotel you might want to skip during your Las Vegas visit. Circus is marketed as a family-friendly destination, but many guests report significant cleanliness issues and an overall rundown atmosphere. The reality does not live up to its colorful advertising, leading to disappointment for families seeking a fun and comfortable stay in Las Vegas. Excalibur Hotel and Casino may charm with its medieval theme, but guests frequently report dingy accommodations and a significant lack of attentive customer service. These shortcomings diminish the overall experience, making it unworthy of your investment for a trip to Las Vegas, especially when better options are available. While the Stratosphere offers stunning views of Las Vegas, it fails to compensate for its outdated furnishings and exorbitant resort fees. Many guests feel that the high costs do not translate into value or comfort, making it a less desirable option for travelers seeking a worthwhile experience. The Imperial Palace boasts a prime location on the Las Vegas Strip, which may attract visitors initially. However, the hotel suffers from a lack of renovations, and numerous negative service reviews highlight significant issues that can detract from your stay, making it a less favorable choice for travelers. When choosing a hotel in Las Vegas, prioritize options with high ratings and excellent reviews from previous guests. Look for properties that have undergone recent renovations to ensure modern amenities and comfort. This strategy will help guarantee a positive experience during your stay in this vibrant city. As we've discussed, avoiding these 5 hotels can save you from a disappointing experience in Las Vegas. Your vacation deserves to be enjoyable and stress-free, so choose accommodations carefully. Opt for places that elevate your stay rather than detract from it, ensuring memorable moments in this vibrant city.